This morning is Dr. Randall Weil to talk about a new procedure which can help your skin get healthy once again. Good morning. Thanks for joining us.
My pleasure. Thank you.
How can you breathe new life into our skin? What is this procedure?
Well, there's a technology called intense pulsed light, which is called a photofacial machine, which when the skin is being treated, takes several times. The pigment changes, the color of the skin improves, pores decrease with no downtime. So it's really somewhat a very exciting new procedure.
Is this a laser light?
It is. It's a laser machine, but it's used on the non-laser type of mode. So in other words, there's no damage to the external skin. You see no damage whatsoever.
Okay, we can take a look. We've got some pictures of a process going on, and maybe you can explain what's going on here.
Sure, this is a woman who has some sun damage to her skin. This is a young woman. Many of these patients are kind of younger, but any age group can be utilized. This is the type of machine. You just put in the parameters. The skin is somewhat anesthetized. This is a gel put on the skin. This is the machine, and a bright light will be emanated very shortly. And that's about it. And then the gel is removed.
Now, when you say sun damage, do you consider those freckles that she has on her face sun damage?
No, they're different things. This is a young woman who, she does have some sun damage as well, but mostly her problem is more of a kind of a pigmentary problem in the skin.
We've got some before and after pictures. Let's take a look at those too, so that we can see how well this has worked before.
Sure. It was very, very good for sun damage, and this is probably where it's been mostly utilized. What's especially nice is you can use it on the chest and on the hands, where before we've really had nothing for these areas.
Okay. How much does this cost?
Usually for 5 treatments, which are spaced about 3 weeks apart, so it's about a 15-week course, it may run about $2,300, $2,400 for the entire course.
And certainly not covered by insurance,
No,
right?
insurance does not cover this.
Okay.
No.
In terms of downtime, there are other laser procedures in which you need to take some days off from work.
That's correct. In this particular procedure, there is no downtime. So people come in, they'll have the treatment. It may take 20 or 30 minutes, and then they're back shopping, or they can do whatever they want. Other type of lasers, yes, there's significant downtime.
Now, if I don't have the money for something like this and I want to prevent my skin from getting that bad, what are some preventative measures to do?
Well, certainly people do need to be using sunblocks most of the time. And then there's some wonderful products that are out that can help for the damaged skin, for the brown spots.
Like what?
There are products called hydroquinones that are used often in doctors' offices. They are prescription. And they're for lightening. But you need to use them over a long period of time. And if you go back out into the sun and aren't using the products, you can darken again.
There are a lot of facial creams out there that, tout SPF, but they're only SPF 15. That's not enough, is it?
I think most people feel at least an SPF 30 is probably the most effective.
Okay. Dr. Weil, thank you very much.
My pleasure. Thank you.
Nice to see the before and after pictures and see the procedure. And
thank you.
It looks pretty painless. If you would like to reach Dr. Weil, this is how you can do so. Plastic surgeon here in the Bay Area, and that's his number on the screen. Thank you.
My pleasure. Thank you.